Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access tab. In this quick tutorial, I show you how to enable notifications in Google Chrome. This is very easy, so let's just start. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Now tap on three-dot menu. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now all Chrome notification is here. Now tap on it to toggle it on. See here, you can customize from here. You can off or on any option of notification. You can notification browser off, playing media notification off, or you can on all of notification from here. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.